Hello there, thank you very much for joining me. And today's lesson is about relative pronouns. In previous lesson, I used the term were for using certain type of relative pronouns like what, where, who, but I thought it better to explain this time. So let's talk about relative pronouns and their types so that we don't get confused. You will see the lesson outcome, and the lesson is about relative pronouns, nominal or fused relative pronouns, and relative adverbs, because sometimes we use all these relative pronouns and think them wrong or use them wrong as a function. So let's see, I have divided all of these in different categories and explain their uses. First of all, let's see relative pronouns. Actually, who, whom, whose, which, and that, these are relative pronouns. As compared to these nominal relative pronoun or fused relative pronoun, it's only single, what. And then relative adverb, these are three, where, when, why. Let's understand their usage. Relative pronoun, who, it is used for people. For instance, who's outside the door? Who's knocking at my window? Who is who? Kaun kaun hai? And then if we see whom, it's an object for people. For instance, the person you met is my uncle. It's a simple sentence. But if we include relative pronoun, the person whom you met is my uncle. जिस शख्स से आप मिले वो मेरे uncle है. So it makes my uncle specific. And then whose, it shows possession, जो चीज आपके कब्जे में हो, जो चीज आपकी कैपेसिटी में हो, जिस चीज की मलकियत आपके पास हो, या जिस चीज का गहरा ताल्लुक आपसे हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, whose pen is this? ये किसका पेन है? Who is with me in this matter? इस मामले में कौन मेरे साथ है? So it's about association, it's about possession, it's about link between people. And then which, it is used for things and animals. ये चीजों और जानवरों के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. For instance, which one is mine? कौन सी चीज मेरी है? Which is which? कौन सी चीज क्या है? Which of you is with me? आप में से कौन मेरे साथ है? अब इस सेंटेंस में, इस पर्टिकुलर सिनेरियो में ये इंसानों के लिए भी इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है. Which of the animal is predator? कौन सा एनिमल प्रीडेटर है, रेंगने वाला है? Which of the animal is herbivore? कौन सा एनिमल सिर्फ जड़ी बूटियां या घास खाता है? And similarly, that is a very simple people. It is used to describe people, things, and animal. That car you were driving is mine. That pen you are using is mine. And similarly, if you see nominal relative pronoun or fused relative pronoun, it's only single word, what. In general, we use what in the beginning of a sentence to make a sentence interrogative. हम किसी भी जुमले के शुरू में लगाते हैं उसको सवालिया बनाने के लिए. इसका यूज क्या है? इसका यूज है the thing that, यानी किसी चीज को मखसूस बनाना, खास बनाना, इशारा करना किसी चीज की तरफ. फॉर इंस्टेंस, what you were eating was my food, यानी जो खाना आप खा रहे थे वो तो मेरा था. What car do you have? आपके पास जो कार है वो किसकी है? वो कौन सी है? वो पर्टिकुलर चीज किसकी है? So this is how we use what. But we can use what in the beginning of a sentence. For example, what's your relationship with him? आपका उससे क्या ताल्लुक है? What is he to you? उसका आपसे क्या ताल्लुक है? वो आपका क्या लगता है? Our last category is relative adverbs. Actually, where it is used to indicate a place, when it is used to indicate time, and the last one is why it is used to indicate reason. For example, why did you do this to me? आपने मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों किया? And then when are you coming home? आप घर कब आओगे? And the last is where are you going? Where is this place? These all adverbs are used in different contexts. Thank you.